Strategically located between Serampore railway station and Rishra railway station, Solaris city Serampore is easily accessible from various parts of Kolkata, Howrah and North 24 Parganas through rail, road and ferry service. You can reach Serampore through various routes. Through local train via Howrah station, through road via Vidyasagar Setu, Kona Expressway, Dankuni and Delhi Road. Through road via BT Road, Dunlop, Dakshineshwar and GT Road. Through ferry service via Barakpur. If you're coming from BBD Bagh, one can reach Howrah station by road or ferry service in 10 to 15 minutes. Solaris city Serampore can be reached from Howrah station through local train in just about 22 to 25 minutes. Once you get down at Rishra railway station, reach Solaris city Serampore in about 4 to 5 minutes via RBC Road and Rail Land Road, keeping daily markets and other conveniences on both sides of the road. Alternatively, you can get down at Serampore station, reach Solaris city Serampore in about 6 to 8 minutes via SP Mukherjee Road and Rail Land Road. On the way, find Shaheed Gopinath Saha Market, Serampore Municipality and Serampore Sports Ground to your left. One can reach Solaris city Serampore through road via Vidyasagar Setu, Kona Expressway and Dankuni. Once you reach Dankuni crossing, travel straight for another 12 to 15 minutes via Delhi Road. Take right from Mukesh Hyundai Service Centre and drive for another 8 to 10 minutes via Firangi Danga Road, Rishra 4 number level crossing and Rail Land Road to reach Solaris city Serampore. From Dankuni crossing to the site, the drive could be about 20 to 25 minutes in normal traffic conditions. From North Kolkata, take BT Road and reach Dunlop crossing. From here, turn left and take PWD Road to Bali Bridge, keeping Dakshineshwar Temple and Dakshineshwar Metro to your right. From Bali crossing, turn right to GT Road and cross the neighborhoods of Uttarpara, Konnagar and Rishra. Turn left to Maitri Path from Rishra and reach Solaris city Serampore via RBC Road and Rail Land Road. From Dunlop crossing to the site, the drive could be about 25 to 30 minutes in normal traffic conditions. From Barakpur Dhobighat via ferry service, reach Serampore Raighat. Reach Solaris city Serampore in 10 to 12 minutes by auto or toto through TC Goswami Street, Rishi Bankim Sarani, Bhattala More and JN Lahiri Road. Such great connectivity and multiple transportation options make Solaris city Serampore a place of choice for you and your family to spend the rest of your life.